Hi, my name is Jasper Reyes. I am a basketball content creator here in the Philippines, and I am also the founder of a basketball community here called United by the Game.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top-notch horse, get the most, not the lizard. Straight terror, but I know your errors.
I pursued basketball since elementary pa lang ako. Tumagal yon till college. And there's an unfortunate event na nangyari, which is na-diagnose ako with a health condition. Nagkataon na alam nyo may yung social media era natin, pumasok yung mga content creation, and pinerso ko siya kasi I just wanted to stay involved in the game. Siguro 1 year or more na ako nagko-content creation. In that time frame, nakapag-gain ako ng significant audience, and through those audience, na-motivate ako to create a platform na makapag-basketball kami, pick up games, play pick up games, and it grew into this community that we have na ngayon. Malaki-laki na siya. Fortunately. Started, wala kaming kinikita. It's not easy to sustain that. And isa yun sa mga biggest challenges ko. Tumagal yun for over a year. Ang lagi kong naging mindset to that, and thankfully, yung ganun din yung mindset ng mga nakakasama ko dito is we're just doing this for the love of the game. Sa lahat ng mga achievements na yun, ang pinaka siguro biggest for me, we started yung United We Rise initiative. Yung vision doon is to support yung mga aspiring hoopers dyan sa mga streets. Kasi siyempre dami na tinikita na gusto mag-basketball pero walang means, walang mga basketball shoes na makapagbigay dun sa mga nangangailangan. It's one of the most fulfilling kahit wala kaming makukuhang return with it. If you have a dream or if you have a, may vision ka, huwag kang mag-hesitate na kunin mo yun or i-pursue mo yun. Kasi, di ba may quote nga na you only live once? Kasi ayokong mabuhay with regret. Mahirap siya kasi risky eh. Nasanay tayo sa mga play safe lang. Pero ang masasabi ko naman, if you keep being consistent about it, your dreams alone will pave the way to a more successful you and your future. With knowing what we have now is a basketball community, gusto ko kayong invite. It's at United by the Game. And sa akin naman, follow my account at JasperReyes_. I post a lot of basketball stuff. And my goal talaga, help a lot of people, help grow the game of basketball the best way I could. It would be a great help na masupport nyo ako with it.
10 toes in when we
Thank you so
standing on
much.
business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top-notch horse, get the most.